Hello guys, welcome back to Tegron Learning Hub. Here are my Google Arcade swags for legendary tire, that is for 5 stars. Let's unbox it. Did you see that? There's a small message here and it's really nice. Alright, let's see what's else in this box. Let's go. And next we find a small bottle, and this is a multi-purpose cleaning spray for all gadgets. We can use this liquid on laptops, phones, and other screens, which is really great and useful. So yeah, inside we have a bag, and this bag has a zipper in the front, and then there is another zip at the bottom as well. It's really good and the zipper quality is excellent. Plus all our items are included inside. But before that, let's take a closer look at the bag. It also has a small pocket with a zipper for holding a water bottle, and it opens freely. Let's close it. On the back there is a badge. It has a cloud symbol on it, means it's a Google Cloud, right? So that, and there is also another zipper, and when you open the zipper it acts as an extension for the bag. Normally the bag is slim, but when we unzip this you get an extra space for additional items. It's kind of extension. Wait, let me show you. Yeah, see, this is the extension. And then inside there's place for laptop, and you can put your laptop here. There is also a symbol indicating laptop space. It comes with velcro to secure it. And just a moment, let me remove all these items. As you can see this, there is so plenty of space here, and it also come with cables. That cables are meant for connecting to a power bank, so you can charge your devices from the outside here. And this is the port. Next up we have my favorite item, which is the mini printer. It's really awesome and we can print anything with it. Let me open it up and show for you. Wow, it looks really great in white and it's super cute. It also comes with a cable for charging, so we can easily charge it. And then moving on, here we have a small light bulb that we can use as a decorative piece in our bedroom. Let me open it. This light bulb turns on and it gives a nice bright light, and we can also adjust this light in two different levels, and it comes with a cable as well, and so we can charge it. This is a multifunctional brush, and it's a 20 in one kit, which means 20 different brushes all in one set. The box also provides details about what's included, so we can see exactly how many pieces and what tools are part of it. Inside there are plenty of brushes and other tools as well to clean laptops and all. Here is the next item. There are two pens. They are both really nice. One is black and one is white, which makes a great combination. One pen is colorful and other is simple and standard. Next we have the mini vacuum cleaner, and it's labeled as having strong suction power. When we open, it's really cute and it is in white color, and it also has some brushes at the bottom for cleaning, plus it's of very high quality. And this is the last item. It's a t-shirt and it has white square written on it. When we open it, we see that it's a branded with Google letters here, and it comes in black, which looks really nice and has great quality, and the size is perfect and the quality is also very excellent. And if we turn it around, it says arcade legend on the back. These are all the items we received, and I will also create a short video showing how to use each item and upload it as shorts. That is all for this video, guys. Please do like and don't forget to share this video to your friends who will get arcade swags. And this is for 5-star legend tire. See you in the video soon. Please do subscribe. Bye bye.